Marketing Director at Ragamuffin Cafe. This is
Andrew, the CEO.
Today we're doing a special of Cascara tea, which is a tea made from the cherries of coffee beans. It uses the skin and then it's steeped, and we are serving it iced. So it's a unique drink that's not really on the scene, and it's a byproduct of coffee, and we have the best coffee. Everybody know that, so we thought we'd change it up a little bit.
As well, we use 100% Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee provided by Deaf Can Coffee. So we're doing some free sign language classes to kind of promote, deaf culture in Jamaica and highlight the contribution Deaf Can has done to our cafe and towards Blue Mountain.
The Mavis Bank Coffee Factory, the owner of the Jablum, True Brew brands and now the Wallingford brands, is excited to celebrate the 3rd anniversary of Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Day. We are highlighting a number of initiatives. One, we are officially launching 2 new products today, which is the K-Cup coffee, which is single serve. It is a new product that we are presenting on the market, 100% Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee, balanced, sweet, excellent taste, beautiful aroma. We're also introducing a 3-in-1 coffee, 3-in-1, which is coffee, cream and sugar. Pour hot water on and you get your excellent coffee experience. We're also going to be encouraging Jamaicans to drink more coffee, and we are going to be exciting to extend the reach and the market of Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee overseas in all our areas, Japan, USA, Europe and the rest of the world.
Blue Mountain Estate is a company which started like in the 1980s really, and we have a farm up in the Blue Mountains in West Portland, and we have a factory also in West Portland. As a matter of fact, it's the only coffee processing factory in West Portland. We were probably the first Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee company to try to break into China. We took a break for a little while from export during the 90s and concentrated on developing our local business and our farm, make sure our factory was going. Recently, however, we have restarted looking at the retail and the value-added side of our business, and therefore Blue Mountain Estate Cafe, which was recently opened here in Kingston in August properly. We are happy to be a part of the Jamaica Blue Mountain, the celebration of Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee Day, and we welcome all our visitors and our guests and hope they will enjoy the coffee. We can assure you that this is a single estate coffee and it's the best coffee in Jamaica.